Hello friends, today I would like to introduce you to the odometer blocker for the Chevrolet Corvette C8. All available products for this model are harness with long cable, software module, blind plugs, and an application that allows you to control the blocker. I will tell you here, the blocker has 3 modes. The odometer is stopped in the first and second mode, and in the third mode, the device is turned off and the mileage is recorded as usual. We will talk more about the modes in the video. For installation, as we know, we need to remove the dashboard details. For this, we will need tools: plastic removal tools, hexagon nut, screwdriver, and OBD diagnostic tool. After installation, all error messages must be deleted once with a diagnostic tool. Engine control lamp lights up permanently. It has no effect on the engine. The diagnostic testers cannot discover the mileage altered by Chevrolet Corvette C8 filter. Speedometer and all the other assistance systems work flawlessly. No error messages displayed on the speedometer or navigation panel. So let's start the installation process. Remove these covers on the driver and passenger sides. Then, with the help of plastic removal tools, remove this panel and then this screw. After that, this top cover can be easily removed. We need to remove the screws on the driver's side as well. Remove all the screws you see in the video. Using a screwdriver, remove the small screws as well. You cannot remove the cover even if one piece remains. After removing all the screws, the cover will also be removed, and we will see the system cables under it. These two are the main cables for the speedometer. Unplug both and connect our odometer blocker as follows. Connect the green plug of the device to the green-headed cable of the car system, and connect the gray plug to the white-headed cable of the system. And connect the plugs of the other side of the blocker to the car system. This too according to colors. After that, pull the long cable of the superkilometer filter inside the cover, between the cables. It now has blind plugs attached. Remove them and connect the software modules. Box 1 must be connected to number 1 and box 2 must be connected to number 2. That's it. Installation is complete, guys. Clear all error messages with the help of OBD diagnostic tool. If the check error message still remains, you can easily delete it with this simple method. Of course, this is a joke. Now go to odometer blocker activation and deactivation. You can do this in the simplest way from the application or pull the high beam lever 4 times and repeat this process to change the modes as well. We have 3 modes in total. In the first mode, the odometer count is 0%. The second mode is recommended in case the first mode does not work. In this mode, the odometer count is the same 0%. And the third mode, the device is turned off and the odometer counts 100%. After all this, activate the first mode, lock the car from the outside, and wait 5 minutes. After that, disconnect the car battery, wait a moment, then turn it back on. As I told you, an app is ideal for managing the blocker in the easiest way. Download SKF Speed V2 to your smartphone, then connect to the device via Bluetooth. Then, go to Settings, set your desired kilometers per hour or miles per hour, and enter the actual mileage of the car. We have 16,653 kilometers. Enter any name. Switch the trip mode to Bluetooth and save. When you drive with the first or second mode activated, the car's odometer does not count the mileage. The original mileage is recorded only in the application. Good luck, guys. See you in the next video.